What if I told you there are free AI websites that can help you write faster, design better, create presentations, remove backgrounds, summarize long documents, and even boost your productivity in just a few clicks? In today's video, I'm going to show you 20 incredible AI websites that can save you time and make your work much easier. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or business owner, you'll definitely find a few tools you'll want to start using today. Let's jump right in. We'll start with one of the most popular AI tools, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can answer questions, explain difficult topics, help you write emails, generate ideas, summarize information, and even help with coding. Think of it as an intelligent assistant that's available whenever you need help. Website number 2, Gamma. If creating presentations takes too much of your time, Gamma is worth trying. Simply describe your topic, and it can generate a clean, professional presentation in minutes. It's perfect for students, teachers, and professionals. Website number 3, Canva AI. Most people know Canva for graphic design, but many don't realize it also includes powerful AI features. You can generate images, write text, remove backgrounds, and quickly create social media posts, flyers, and presentations. Website number 4, Perplexity AI. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, Perplexity gives you direct answers and includes sources so you can explore the information further. It's especially useful when you're researching a topic or learning something new. Website number 5, 11 Labs. Need realistic AI voices? 11 Labs can generate natural-sounding speech for videos, audiobooks, and other creative projects. It supports multiple voices and languages, making it useful for creators around the world. Website number 6, remove.bg. Although simple, remove.bg uses AI to instantly remove the background from an image. Upload your photo, wait a few seconds, and your image is ready. It's perfect for thumbnails, online stores, and profile pictures. Website number 7, Notebook.lm. Notebook.lm helps you study smarter. Upload your notes, PDFs, or documents, and the AI can summarize them, answer questions, and help you understand the material. It's a fantastic tool for students and researchers. Website number 8, Photopea. Photopea brings professional photo editing directly to your browser. You don't need expensive software to edit images, create graphics, or design YouTube thumbnails. Website number 9, Suno. Have you ever wanted to create music without being a musician? Suno lets you generate songs using AI. Simply describe the style or mood you want, and it creates original music in minutes. Website number 10, Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI allows you to create stunning AI-generated artwork and illustrations. Whether you're designing game assets, social media graphics, book covers, or creative artwork, this platform offers powerful image generation tools.
Here are 10 more AI websites you should definitely check out. Claude, DeepL Write, Grammarly, Poe, Adobe Firefly, Runway, Ideogram, TinyWow AI, Copy.ai, Notion AI. Each one focuses on different tasks such as writing, image generation, video editing, productivity, research, or document management. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is changing how we learn, work, and create. The best part is that many of these websites offer free versions, so you can start using them today without spending any money right now. You don't need to master all of them at once. Pick 2 or 3 that solve your biggest challenges and gradually explore the rest. Technology should make your life easier, and these AI tools are designed to do exactly that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on AI tools, useful websites, computer skills, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.